click run once. Alright, perfect. It's all easy this part. It's posting on Instagram and it's done. Now we're gonna look in your account here. Refresh the page. Alright, here we have. This is dream big, work hard, achieve greatness. Hi everyone, today we're going to look into how to create thousands of posts and publish them on Instagram automatically. For this, we're going to use make.com and basically we're going to use this flowchart. Here we have a database in Google Sheet and this will be created everything and automatically post on Instagram. Okay, well, let's get started. We're gonna start from scratch. So create a new scenario. Okay, here the first thing that we're gonna do here is to go to Google Sheets and we're gonna search for search rows. Okay, perfect. Now let's jump into our database. The name is Instagram and here we have some fields, description, tags, and date. This is the basic fields, okay? Well, I'm gonna look for here. Instagram. Select the sheet name. Okay. And we're gonna apply a filter here. It is by date. Okay. Here, we're gonna select the format date and here we're gonna use this format. Month, day, and the year. Okay. Well, that's all. Click OK. And the next module that I'm gonna use here is Google Slide. Okay. Slides here I'm gonna use. And here we're gonna select this option, create a slide from a template slide. Perfect. Now, in this case, just go and create your slide here. Create a new one. Okay, now here, we're gonna set up this page. Okay, for this, select page setup. I'm gonna choose this dimensions, okay? Apply. And once you're here, delete everything. Okay, now for this I need to import an image and that's the reason I'm gonna use for this case Canva. When you use Canva, when you're in your account, just write something like motivational Instagram. Okay, and here you have some models that you can use. For this case, I'm gonna use this. Perfect is good thing. Here we have another models. You can select what you want. I'm gonna choose this. Well, now here, I don't wanna use this. And here, you can put in here your brand if you have. Or I'm gonna use only motivational. Okay, that's all. Now go here, download, and here. Perfect. Now, when you get it, go back to your slides, and here I want to type a name, Instagram. Okay, and here we're gonna insert an image. I'm gonna plot here, and I have here. Okay, now you can modify here anything you want to do here. You can customize. Perfect. Now the next thing, I want to customize this image. Okay, maybe something here. I'll delete this. Okay, and I'm gonna use here this part. Remember, here you need to use the curly braces. This is important because we have a dynamic parameter here, and we're gonna use this for different cues. Okay, so we're gonna use these curly braces. Here we have, and in this case, we're gonna type here description. Okay, perfect. Okay, and the text color. Perfect. Now I think it's good. Maybe. Alright, I have here. That's perfect, I think. Now let's jump into make the cone here again. And now we're gonna select here. This is the same name, Instagram. And here it's important to add another field here. When you finish this, you need to go here and select this part, skip slide. Okay, this is important. Now I'm gonna refresh here, and I have here. Perfect. And in the description, I'm gonna choose the description from Google Sheets. Okay. Now here, the next module that I'm gonna use here is get a page thumbnail here, and here the presentation ID. You have here the presentation ID, the page ID you have here, and check here, show the page thumbnail. That's all. And the final module is to add here again Google Sheets. And the final module que se cayó esta cagada de mierda un rato. And the final module and the final module that I'm gonna add here is Instagram. Instagram for business. And here we need to 32 and here we're gonna create a post, photo post. Okay, here you need to select your account, you need to select your page. Okay, and here the photo URL you have here from the last module, content URL, caption. From here, I'm gonna select description. And here, okay, I'm gonna add the text. Perfect. Everything is done here. Click OK. And the next thing that I'm gonna do here is to go our database, and we need here. From here, we're gonna use the ChatGPT. So it's free. Just go to ChatGPT and write here a message. Okay, you don't need a sophisticated prompt. Only you can use some simple words. Okay, for example, I'm gonna type here create, then motivational phrases with a hash for Instagram in a table. Okay, send here, and ChatGPT is creating everything for you. Okay, I'm just saying 10, but you can, if you want, you can say 20, 30,000, you know. Alright, now it's perfect, you know. Look great. I'm gonna copy here, copy, and I'm gonna paste here. Perfect. I have everything here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna modify. Alright, this is for Instagram. And the date, I'm gonna choose the depending on the day. From today, it's but depending of the day, if you're gonna post every day, you just need to do this and automatically will post for every day. Now everything is done. You have here the description, tags, and the date. So let's jump into make the come again, and everything is done. Okay, when you are here, click run once. Alright, perfect. It's all easy this part. It's posting on Instagram and it's done. Now we're gonna look in your account here, refresh the page. Alright, here we have. This is dream big, work hard, achieve greatness. This is what we are created. And if we go back to our database, here we have. This is the first dream big, work hard, achieve greatness. This is the date from today. Okay, 23. That's the reason that this was automatically posted here from today. Looks great. Perfect. Now, here every day we post different motivational phrases here. If you want more phrases, you can add and automatically we post on your Instagram account. Okay? Alright. Perfect. Now, if you wanna modify something, you can add here ChatGPT module and create everything if you want. You can update rows. You can send this by and other modules. I hope this was helpful and stay tuned for more. Remember, see you in the next video.